Hi Changemaker Challenge, my name is John Hensel, and I have founded a company called Frakktrl Services. They're seeking database solutions in an uncertain world, and I'll show you one such database solution that I am excited to find more about and to implement in the real world. So for now, we will strive to consult those coordinating administrative restructuring regarding the most efficient way to repurpose human capital. Corporations are going to need to change their administrative structures more quickly than in the past, respond ever faster to market forces, and so the idea is that we need to make sure that labor's on board with that, a good worker is able to be in one spot and then be recognized by his or her company, and they'll be able to find another solution for him when the time comes for that. Frakktrl will work with ONET data, sponsored by the U.S. Department of Labor, in conjunction with accumulating experiences. So ONET breaks down the occupations into hundreds of different categories, and they've basically studied all of those, like the sorts of skills that you would need at those occupations. So I guess this is basically just an example of the framework that we'd be using. This kind of looks like a pizza parlor today. You've got your GM, your shift managers, in-stores, drivers. I mean, this pretty much looks just like your Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's. And this after is what I would anticipate the structure of their sites looking more like. All the drivers are going to be abolished by fleet operators. All the cars are going to be automated. Just think of that. You're going to pick up your pizza, and it's not going to be a human. The human's just going to make sure that the car is doing its job. But yeah, ONET. If you go on the ONET website, which I have on the next slide, you're going to be able to see all the skills that they've generally assessed are useful in doing these applications, these occupations, except for the last one, because that job really doesn't exist yet. So yeah, it's just going to show you this website here. You can see all the different measures they've got, types of measures. So let's say that somebody is really good at selling or influencing others, and so you can expand this here, and that's basically we're going to use this sort of data set to make the world better. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful Changemaker Challenge.